Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Instagram not loading on Android. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply force close your Instagram application just like that and try to open it again. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. If that is not the case, what you can try to do is simply toggle on and off your airplane mode just to give it that quick refresh. Finally, if it still doesn't work, you can simply go ahead and open your settings, go down all the way to apps. Then you want to look for Instagram application in this group, and then simply go ahead and tap on storage. Finally, tap on clear cache on the bottom right of your screen. This is going to delete any temporary cache files that might be stored, which is causing the problem. The final thing you can try to do is uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.